I'll let you catch your breath. Layer number 2. Nothing like a nice relaxing massage. Let me know if anything's uncomfortable.
What the hell?
Yeah.
His hand's not attached.
Yeah.
This is new fingers.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Remodeled.
Yeah.
Human renovation. How you feeling?
Yeah, I feel good, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
All right, let's...
And you're up?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. Oh.
It's good to see you releasing so well.
It's feeling worse in the hand. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, we can kind of get up into some of this stuff now, you know? Whereas it was fully anchored before. It's very tight still, but
So, yeah.
I might, you know, end up having to do a little bit more. I'll probably have to come back to the fingers, you know?
Yeah.
Just thought I'd give it a little...
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, there's a bit of fucking fucked up energy in this hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's still a little bit... This one's got a little bit of what I call stubborn tension happening in here. Yeah. I can see why this one was kind of hesitant, you know?
Fuck it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, there's something in there.
You reckon? I felt like I could swear the finger was bleeding.
Yeah. It was like crunchy. It felt really crystallized. Really needed that little bit of gentle persuasion just to encourage it to... Come on, you can do it. Let it go.
It's like chopstick gua sha.
Yeah, it is, yeah. You're gonna have to develop a new relationship with your hand.
Introduce, yeah?
Yeah, hey.
What the... God. Yeah, it feels...